Within the study of the unique complexity of the brain is the topic of our subconscious thoughts and behavior. How and why our minds do certain things has long remained a mystery. In life, we often face various issues and uncertainties that makes us feel down and out. Some of us are open about these issues, while others not so much. We'll keep our emotions bottled up inside of us until one day, like a pipe under pressure, we burst. I find it amazing how much trust we put into our knowledge over our intuition. We often equate our feelings to the clumsy side of our mind. We'll make statements like, think with your head and not your heart. But one very important thing that we must always consider is that the feelings of your heart are just as important to your mental integrity as your reasoning is. This brings me to the issue of encouragement and trust. The mind is a whole realm full of its own problems outside of reality. A place where different versions of reality are imagined. The place where we design all of our worries and problems to be much bigger than ourselves. What we often overlook is the fact that just as the human body needs tending to, so does our mind. As we treat the problems in our bodies with medication and herbal remedies, we should also treat the problems in our minds with meditation and verbal remedies. The moral of this message is, if you know someone who is feeling worried or upset, don't chalk it up to them being too emotional. That doesn't help anything. Instead, be a light in their dark hours. Share some good advice. Share some encouraging words. Be the verbal remedy that one may need. And if you yourself are feeling a certain way, try meditating on more positive things and getting your mind into a state where you are more relaxed. Many of us know that the human mind seems to have a natural incline towards negativity, which can affect us in very dangerous ways. This fact, along with many other mind mysteries, is yet to be explained. Perhaps it will always be a mystery.